Okay, I'll start recording. I will not make it this long. So let's say you are trading Forex also on the New York, but I don't trade in New York.
Mm.
I trade indices in the New York, but in the London I mainly trade the Forex pairs. Okay, so this
Okay.
is Friday. Let's go to the Thursday. So here our Thursday, yes, this is ASEAN high,
Mm.
this is ASEAN low, this
Mm.
is the midnight of the price, which is here. We wait for the kill zone. So this is the kill zone. Started at the 2 a.m. Price go to
Mm.
the upside, go to the downside, go to the upside. So you are not anticipating any entries here because either the liquidity have been taken out, not the low and not the high. The price in the range
Mm.
of ASIA is still in the range of ASIA. So you are waiting for the price to what? To give you one entry. So
Mm.
price, go to the downside. The low of the ASIA have been taken out.
Mm.
Okay. You have
Mm.
your first bid array, which is what? The order block
Mm.
before even the MSS.
Mm.
So this will be my trade with a 2 pips close. Target
Mm.
here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and we will be out from the trade.
But it is, don't you think it's very risky to take the trade and base on order block which is not confirmed yet?
Yes, but let's say you are waiting for the price, you will not take this trade.
Mm.
Okay, simple. You will not take this trade, but you can
But the
take.
one question I have, how you mark your Asian range? It is after the midnight open price to the London Open, or you are counting the late New York sessions as well? Because what I see here is you are marking it differently, isn't it?
I am marking SM high and SM low from beginning of the 20 to the high uh, that created between the 20 and the 00 New York price. So my SM range, the high of it created here at 230. This is the 220 range. Okay, this is the beginning
Mm.
of the ASEAN range here. This is the
Okay.
high of it, and this is
Mm.
the low of it. Then
It's
this,
it's it's basically start from the previous day.
yes,
Mm.
okay, it's from the previous day.
Okay.
Okay, from 20
It's
to 0.
8:20 to 0 and till the opening of the New York London Open.
Yes, London open from 2 to 5.
2 to 5 is London Open, but the whole Asian session will be from
20 to 0.
20 to 0.
Yes,
But from 0 to London Open, it will took 2 more hours. Okay.
pre-London. That's we
Okay.
call pre-London. We don't anticipate price in this time.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So if you want the setting, if you want this indicator, it's called
Mm.
ICT key zones and
And pivots.
pivots. Okay, this is my
Mm.
settings. This is the
Okay.
ASEAN session from 20 to
20 to
0.
0.
We have the
Okay.
London from 2 to 5. We have
2
the
to
New
5.
York AM.
Okay.
In the Forex pair, it's began from
8:30.
from 7. But here I don't use the New York, so I keep it for indices. The indices skill zone begin from 8 and 30 to 11.
Mm.
The Forex pair began from 7 to 10
Okay.
or 7 to 11. Okay, New York launch from
12 to.
2012 to 13, and BM session began from 3:13:30 to the 16.
Okay.
Okay, this is my times of tradings that I'm using.
Okay. Okay.
And this is what ICT talk about, which is from 20
Mm.
to 0. This is the range.
Okay.
And look how the price react on it. Okay,
Mm.
so
Mm.
after taking the ascent session high, and you
Mm.
want to take it a trade,
Mm.
even if you look the use of the midnight open price, look the expansion to the upside, London high created here,
Mm.
then price take the London out after the New York, the London kill zone, then price go downside to take the London low.
Mm.
So this is what we call the session drawn
Mm.
liquidity. Sessions
Mm.
drawn liquidity.
Mm.
We have this the session of Asia have its
Mm.
high and low. This is our drawn liquidity for
Yes.
our trades.
Okay.
Okay, so here if you don't anticipate on market structure shift, you will not take the trade.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but here you can take it. That's
Mm.
what we called dirty soup above the
Mm.
midnight, but
Mm.
the ASEAN session high didn't take
Mm.
it. Let's say if this candle take the
Mm.
ASEAN session high, I will anticipate sell entries to take the ASEAN session.
Yeah.
Let's go to, I would say, see if we have,
For trading the indices, Michael has make it more easy for the AM session. He traded the previous PM session highs and low as a liquidity.
yeah,
And for the
yes, but I don't depend on these things on the indices. Okay,
mm,
I have more
okay.
information to take. Let's see here. Okay, so we have ASEAN session, which is a
Mm,
trend,
mm,
and price take the low,
mm,
made the inversion, and you take a
mm,
loss here.
mm,
Okay, the loss will happen, but
mm,
here I will not anticipate higher price
mm,
because the ASEAN session is trending.
mm,
So look the London how it react, also trend. Then
mm,
the New York session reverse, taking the ASEAN session high. So it's
mm,
leaving the ASEAN session high for the New York because I think we have news here with this day.
mm.
Okay, so you must look for a common calendar and watch for the price what it's
Yes.
doing. So
Yes.
here
No.
you have a take a loss, but
Mm,
on the Thursday and Friday you are winning your trades. Let's
mm,
see the Thursday how that's how I don't watch the price on the 1 minute, but I
mm.
am seeing to you if I am taking trades
Yes.
based on the 1 minute how it will do. So here
Okay.
the indicator didn't mark the ascent session high and low because it's marked the last 3 days. So
Mm,
here we have uh, from 20 from here,
mm.
which is 20 here. Okay,
Yes.
this is the low of the ascent session.
Yes.
Okay, and where is the high? This is
8
20 to 0.
0.
This is the high.
Mm,
So Asia what ranging.
mm.
Okay, price go
Okay.
to the middle of the ascent session at
Mm,
the London Open.
mm,
If you see this, you can enter long, even if it's not taking the ascent session low.
mm,
Because what? Because you are below the midnight open price. The market here, you will look only for SMTs. I am
mm.
depend on it for Judas swings.
Okay.
So if I don't have a sell session low or a sell session high have been taken out, I'm looking for
Mm,
SMT, looking for
mm,
MSS.
mm,
So price here, break the structure here. We have
mm,
our breakup.
mm.
So here, this is complicated entry, I know.
Mm,
But let's go to the upside, then break, give us what? The inversion. Okay. So this
mm,
is the inversion fair value gap. If you are taking the trade from here,
mm,
putting your stop loss above the order block here
mm,
and attacking the 3RR. So let's say you are attacking only the ASEAN session high, you will take 2.55 RR. If you are
mm.
aiming for the discount for this range from here to here, or for this midnight open price, which is this dotted line, you will take 3.5 RR. Then price
Yes.
what to use the midnight open price to send the price more higher. Okay,
Mm,
after sending the price, what in silver bullet. So in silver bullet,
mm,
here it's give you the market structure shift. You don't have an inversion here. You have this order block, which is become a breaker. And you have the fair value gap. So I'm anticipating the price from fair value gap and attacking this side. Okay, then price, or if you don't want to see this movement, so this is
mm,
the high of the 1 hour candle of the silver bullet.
mm,
Most of time, the silver bullet hour take the liquidity of the last candle hour, which is from 2 to 30 to 3,
mm.
then price made the market succession. So these are
In
models
a, in
for,
a silver bullet hour, we expect
yes,
the past 1 hour's candles high
yes,
and low to be taken out.
because power of 3
Mm,
created on the every candle. So this is
mm,
the power of 3 of the 1 hour candle.
mm,
This is the open of it, which is here
mm, mm,
at 3. This is the
mm,
accumulation of it. This is the manipulation of it. And this is
mm,
the distribution and expansion of the 1 hour candle. Okay,
mm.
so here you have the silver bullet hour, which
Uh,
go upside to here, created the high of it, then price, give you the inversion, give you the breaker, give
so
you
we will
another
take out
breaker.
from 2 to 3, but it will be more than the time window will be fast.
You have your
Yeah.
kill zone from 2 to 5. So you
No,
can
but the silver bullet time is 2 to 3.
no, the
Mm,
3 to 4.
okay, three.
The 2 to 3 most of time will happen as Judas swing. But don't
Okay.
think about it. So this is the Judas swing that happened from 2 to
Mm,
3. Then
okay.
price in the silver bullet send the price higher. So the Judas swing
Mm,
continue,
mm,
give us continuation to the upside.
mm,
For honest, I will not enter from here longs. I will
mm,
looking only for sales. So I think I take this trade also on the euro and close it on the midnight open price based on the RR.
mm.
Then price use the
Okay.
midnight open price. So algorithm can use it as a support and resistance also,
Mm,
not only for filter the prices. So the price
mm,
here use it as support, then
mm.
price go to the upside, then give us our confirmation in the inversion. If I am seeing an inversion, I enter immediately after,
Inversion created.
yes, and a breakaway. So
Mm.
I'm not expecting the price to go to the upside
Take out.
and use this inversion. Because if we want to see a big downside movement, I want to see a breakaway gaps created.
Mm,
So if in my head, if I want to see the London, the ASEAN session low have taken out, I want to
mm.
see a breakaway gaps here, like here. Okay.
Okay.
After after this candle close, I'm anticipating uh, short immediately and
Mm,
putting my stop loss above the last high or above the last candle that created and attacking the ASEAN session low.
mm,
And if your model based on the market structure shift or the model of 2020, you have
mm,
your breaker here with fair value gap. So this is the unicorn model.
Mm.
So you can take your trades from here, putting your stop loss above the breaker
Mm.
and attacking also a session.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So this market structure shift here
Mm.
happened here to take the price to what? To the discount, to the midnight open price. If you are drawing
Mm.
your Fibonacci from here to here,
Mm.
the price go to the discount below the equilibrium.
Mm.
Below the equilibrium, use this order
Mm.
block, use the midnight open price, and then price to higher to take this high of the last candle. If you see the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. I will explain you what I'm talking about. This is the silver bullet tower.
3 to 4.
Yes, this is the candle from 3 to 4.
Mm.
And
Mm.
this is from 4 to 5,
Mm.
from 4 to 5, and this is from 4 to 5. Okay, so this is the 1 hour
Mm.
candle. Send price to the upside. This is the low of it that sent to the downside.
Mm.
What we have in the 1 hour, we have this order block, these two candles. We have
Mm.
this mitigation. This candle are mitigation because it's not created a low
Mm.
uh, lower this low. This is
Okay.
mitigation block. This on order block. The
Mm.
price sent the price the midnight open price here, which is
Mm.
aligned with an hour order block, and price
Mm.
sent the algorithm sent the price to take the high of this candle.
Mm.
A rejection block created on the 1 hour.
Mm.
You are seeing the MSS on the 1 minute. So this is how you combine your
Mm.
time frames together.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
that's how
brother.
algorithm work. So on the
Okay.
1 hour, you have PD arrays that created. On the 1 minute, you will have the MSS before the 1 hour sweep here. After
Mm.
this candle closes, so you are entering on the rejection block of the 1 hour
Mm.
and on the breaker on the 1 minute. Okay,
What is New York Power Hour?
these things,
Mm.
these are New York AM high. This
Okay. Okay.
is the New York AM low,
Okay.
and this is
Okay.
New York
So,
AM high.
what we will discuss in our next session, brother?
Okay,
This
I
was
will
about
teach you
daily
more
buys.
about the draw on liquidity.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm explaining to you everything and going to
Okay.
you with the charts. So
Okay.
today I'm told to you how to anticipate the bias in
Mm.
intraday charts based on the
Yes.
sessions.
Yes.
Okay, so I go with the forex pairs, but
Okay.
let's say you are seeing the creation of the 1 hour of the daily candle. So here
Mm.
is the high of the daily candle at the London Open.
Mm.
Okay, at the London kill zone.
Mm.
This are your break of structure on the 15 minutes. So you are seeing the big picture now for
Mm.
the bias. So
Mm.
this is the high, this is the break of structure, this is the retest with this order
Mm.
block and
Mm.
price expand to the downside, another retest to the throw day open, and then the low of the candle created. This is the high,
Yes.
this is the low. So this is the range of the daily candle. Another
Yes.
candle opened here.
Mm.
You have the expansion here to the downside.
Mm.
Okay, London
Mm.
high created here. This is the ASEAN high and ASEAN low. This is the ASEAN high here before.
Mm.
Okay, this is the daily
Mm.
open at the
Mm.
New York midnight open price. Price
Yes.
immediately expand what? below the midnight open price. So this is the wick of the daily candle.
Yes.
Okay, this is the high.
Okay.
So all this movement to the downside happened in the ASEAN and London session. Then in
Mm.
the New York, we have the price delivery
Adjustment.
to the upside above the midnight open. This range from
Yes.
here to here is
Mm.
the daily candle. Another
Okay, sir.
candle opened here.
Mm.
You are anticipating to catch the high or the low of the day. So after
Mm.
on the London session, you are
Mm.
trading, you don't have the clear vision on the 15-minute.
Mm.
Okay, you have the low of the ASEAN taken out and price
Mm.
taken out the ASEAN high, send it
Mm.
to the midnight open price, then price go to the created London high, then
Mm.
price go to the downside and expand below the 2-day. So this is
Mm.
the range from here to here. Okay, but
Okay.
based on the daily,
Mm.
as I was told to you, I'm watching for the daily highs and daily lows to be
Mm.
taken out, to see
Mm.
liquidity sweeps like that, to see
Mm.
the respect of the VDL raised. So
Yes.
after this candle reject here from this inversion, so I'm anticipating to see higher prices.
High
Where is
prices.
my draw and liquidity after anticipating? Uh,
Mm.
how you react in the 1 minute, you will react on the day also.
Mm.
So on the
Mm.
daily, you will have a bullish order flow, but it will take more time because it's daily time frame. So
Mm.
here we have the high, which
Mm.
is our draw liquidity
Draw liquidity.
that have been taken out yet. Okay, so this
Mm.
is previous daily high,
Yes.
all daily high,
Mm.
and we have range, which we call the premium and discount.
Mm.
Okay, so we have a
Yes.
range from here to here,
Yes.
premium and discount. So you are now scanning to see where algorithm can send the price. So it can
Yes.
send to the premium of this
Above the
range.
premium. Yes.
Okay. So I'm
Okay.
anticipating higher prices. My bias will be bullish, but I'm
Okay.
expecting to see bearish candle in this upside movement
Yes.
until I reach the premium. I will
Mm.
watch the price, how will it react in these areas.
Okay.
Okay, it's simple. It's not
Okay, sir.
complicated, and
Thank you.
and when you will react and enter this how you analyze your chart in higher time
Mm.
frame, but the
Yes.
entries have another feelings, another
Yes. Yes.
fears, greedy
Yes.
things.
Because I have experienced this throughout the 8 years span of my trading journey that your high time frame analysis or bias are not something going to play every single day. So the entries on a lower time frame have its own premise,
Yes,
as you explained me today.
yes. So here in this movement, I explained to you all this movement to the downside based
Mm.
on the intraday
Mm.
charts, even if you
Mm.
are bullish,
Yes.
because you have the arrays that can price, you
Mm.
visit at support, can retest it.
Yes.
That's in your
Mm.
head. Okay, so here
Mm.
price and lower, higher, higher, higher. So if you are anticipating higher prices, you will have 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days.
Mm.
Your bias will be correctly, even if you are not watching the intraday.
Mm.
So if we are catching the low of the day here,
Mm.
go with your trade with the expansion here, closing
Mm.
the trade at the high of the day. The same here. But look how the price do in the day. Look how the candle here, what is doing. It's taking out this low,
Mm.
then go to the upside. If you are drawing the low of the day,
Mm.
after any candle closes, you will draw the high and the low and wait for the draw.
Mm.
And if you are anticipating higher prices, you will want to see this low be protected, or if it taken out,
Oh.
if it's taken out, we are waiting for confirmation to see expansion of the
Mm.
daily candle to the upside, retesting this perish order block 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, then price go to the downside. I think this movement to the downside is a false movement. Price will continue. The algorithm will send it more higher deeply to here.
So what are your bias? The GBP USD. I think it will be same because both assets are correlated with the dollar.
Yes, because they are correlated, but in these hard weeks, last
Mm,
hard weeks, it's not so correlated. So look at the movement in the weekly chart in the GBP.
mm,
Look at we are in the consolidation phase and we are in the premium of this range also.
mm.
Okay, so if you are drawing your line from here to here, you are expecting
Selling.
the consolidation. But before the consolidation, look the price how it react.
Mm,
This order block
mm,
created, price use it. Then this order block created, price opened here, send it higher. Then when it come to the premium of this range, it became the consolidation phase. So we have the beginning of the year,
mm.
beginning with the consolidation. So we are accumulating, making the accumulation phase of the yearly candle.
Yes.
So we can expect a manipulation to the upside, then downside move
Yes. On
based
the
on
daily.
the bearish structure.
Yes.
Okay,
And
so
on the
this
daily.
in the daily, we have also this bearish order block that is in euro.
Mm,
We have this movement to the upside. We have the liquidity sweep happened here. Look how this candle closed. Look
mm,
how it's take the sell side here, the sell side here,
mm,
used the volume imbalance here.
mm.
Okay, use the inversion also, which is here. Take the sell side, then closed like that. So I'm anticipating to see higher prices also in GBP. Look how
So we can
the
discuss about the volume imbalance and the new week opening gap in next session.
what?
Uh, Volume imbalance
Yes,
gaps in next session.
yes, I will explain to you because
Okay, sir.
it's so
Thank you.
important. Okay, so look at the euro. It will give me big insights, to be honest with you. It gave me big insights on what's happening and well, well, and what will happen. So if you see here,
Mm,
after this candle opened in a gap,
mm,
trade above to here to the
mm,
closing price of this candle, then send it low. So when I see gaps, most of time the daily candle go with the side of this gap. So we have a gap which is open below
mm,
this
bearish.
candle.
Mm,
So look how this candle closed in bearish candle. Also, we have this candle here, we
mm,
have this gap opened here, and price
mm,
go to the downside, created the low of it, then
mm.
send it higher,
So
respecting
this is
this gap.
basically showing the pressure
Yes,
of the
yes,
market.
it's tell you that or give you insights that we can closing bullish
Mm,
depending only in this on this gap.
mm,
So these gap are new daily opening gaps. We did erase. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, it's
mm.
not happened every time in the euro, but in the indices it's more.
Yes,
Uh,
and this is happening. So we always, when we see a gap, a new week opening gap or a day gap, basically we anticipate the market will go in that direction, but we expect it as a magnet to be filled.
yes, you can target it. So let's say here the I take a trade on the Nasdaq based on it. So
Mm.
you see this gap that opened on the Friday.
Yes.
I was telling my student on Arabic group that I
Mm.
want to see higher prices on Nasdaq today also based on what
Mm.
this bearish candle, this bearish candle have not been respected the body of it, and we
Mm.
have this respecting of the fair value gap, also the price retested, then
Mm.
send it higher. So this is how I determine my bias for the Friday. I'm expecting to see bullish movement to the upside before everything happened.
Mm.
And on the 15-minute, I have also an indicator which give me the new daily opening gaps and new weekly opening gaps, because it
Mm.
will take from me times to draw it in my chart. So this is the gap that opened, which is the closing price at the 18th
Mm.
and the open price at the same. Uh, I can determine good on the higher time frame because I want to see the real thing, which is here. So this is Thursday closing
Mm.
price on the New York, okay, because
Yes.
the this the times differ from country to country. Based on
Yes.
New York,
So,
in the closing price on the 1655 and the
mm.
open price at the 18. So after
Mm.
1 hour, okay.
Mm.
So this is our new daily opening gap for the Friday. So
Oh,
this is so 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 this is the new daily
this
opening gap.
indicate that the price will go high, but we anticipate a fill to the gap first.
Yes. So price here on the Thursday,
Mm.
New York time,
Mm.
go higher. Then this is the open of
Mm.
Friday based on New York. In our daily chart,
Yeah.
the open of the daily is here,
Yes.
but on New York, this is the two-day open.
Mm.
Look how price sent it, how it sent it lower, where it goes. All this
Mm.
movement,
Mm.
we have the London session low created inside of it. So it's engineering liquidity inside of it, above of
Yes.
it.
Yes.
It's so powerful. Okay, so
Mm.
price go upside, taking the ASEAN session high and the London high created here, London low created here, then price go to the middle range of the ASEAN session of the London
Mm.
session, which is
Mm.
the 0.5, I think that I was
Yes.
seeing. Yes. Okay,
Mm.
so price algorithm sent it lower to here. Our
Mm.
inversion created here,
Yes.
but my entry was especially from the new daily open. So I entered a trade on this is the 8 and 30,
Mm.
which is 8 and 30 midnight open price, the price below of it, then price go down to the new daily open gap. So
Yes.
now I'm seeing price trading below of it. So it's
Mm.
created the low of the day here.
Mm.
Then price, I'm expecting to go to the side of the gap.
Yes.
So I'm putting my stop loss below of it.
Mm.
I take the trade at the high of it, and on the 1 minute
Mm.
there is a 1 minute market structure shift also,
Mm.
and attacking the London
London.
high and the
Mm.
previous. لا, sorry, the London high, yes.
Mm.
Okay, and look how many chances it give to me, but I don't enter only this trade. Okay,
Mm.
so I entered this trade. This is the midnight of the 8 and 30 open price. This is the dawn. So look how I analyze everything. The
Mm.
daily,
Yes.
okay, I have my key level.
Mm.
I'm waiting for the time.
Yes.
Okay, so look here, the price give you an entry, but it's before the time. That's why
Mm.
the time is important. This low
Yes.
taken up.
Mm.
Then rejection block created, price retested here, here,
Mm.
then go higher, send it higher. Then this began an inversion. Then price go
Yes.
to the downside using the 8 and 30 as support, using
Mm.
this order block. They balanced this fair value gap here, then send it higher. Created order block, use it, send it higher. create it, consolidation phase, then
Mm.
send it. And I will explain you to you, and this is the closing the week of the daily candle. Okay.
Mm.
And also the IPDA moving in many phases of price delivery. It can to go from consolidation to reversal.
Mm.
It must go from consolidation to expansion, and
Mm.
from expansion to consolidation or retracement or reversal, and from
Mm.
reversal to retracement or expansion.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a phase when you see consolidation and reversal. So in your head, this is a
Mm.
uh, manipulation, not the real move.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
uh, I hope you have the benefit for today.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
The
practice the your charts.
after the breakaway gap, it is the most important session I have, and
Uh,
yes, I will apply it.
I will. I'm not hearing you. What you are telling me.
Yeah, I say that after the breakaway gap theory, it is the most important session we have today regarding how you use the different tools to determine our daily buys based on the different sessions.
Yes, yes. The things that I explained to you before that
Okay,
you.
brother, I will request because it's too much now. Thank you so much for your time. And for the next session, I will request you to give a little bit time about the silver bullet.
Okay, okay. I will teach you everything. Okay,
Okay,
don't worry about that.
thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, thank and please send me the recording as you are already sent me.
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Be safe.
Thank you.
Who's safety part?